Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the essentials. Power the Ecosport to accessory or run so the sync infotainment is active, and put your phone's Bluetooth into discoverable mode. Next, open the head unit settings and go straight to Bluetooth. Don't linger in menus. Tap Add Device or Pair Phone. The system is now searching. You do this because the radio needs an active scan to exchange pairing codes. Once it shows a match, keep both screens visible for the next confirmation step. Once the sync finds your phone, a PIN appears on both the head unit and your phone. Match and confirm it immediately. You accept permissions for contacts and messages so hands-free calling and caller ID work. Make sure to allow these on the phone's prompt. If you have more than one device saved, pick the primary one or enable auto-connect in the Bluetooth settings, because that saves time next drive. This step locks in pairing and lets the system use hands-free auto. Finish by testing. Play a song and make a quick call so you confirm audio, microphone, and steering controls behave as expected. If it fails, remove previous pairings from both the phone and the Ecosport's Bluetooth list, then repeat pairing. This clears conflicts. As a last resort, restart the phone, toggle Bluetooth, or perform a sync soft reset. These steps clear cached errors and almost always restore reliable connections. One tip: deleting duplicate entries usually fixes phantom connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.